I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make round jalebis. First, gather your ingredients for the batter, including all-purpose flour, yogurt, and a touch of baking soda. Mix them well to create a smooth, lump-free consistency. Next, set this batter aside to ferment for at least 8 hours, or ideally overnight, in a warm spot. This fermentation is key for that classic jalebi tang and airy texture. To craft the perfect jalebi batter, start by combining 1 cup of all-purpose flour with 1/4 cup of plain yogurt. Gradually add water until you achieve a smooth, thick, yet pourable consistency, similar to pancake batter. Stir in 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and a pinch of saffron for a beautiful golden hue. Cover the bowl and let it ferment in a warm place for 8 to 12 hours. Now for the frying. Heat about 2 inches of oil or ghee in a wide, flat-bottomed pan to a medium temperature, around 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Using a squeeze bottle or a piping bag with a small hole, pipe the fermented batter into the hot oil in a continuous spiral motion, starting from the center and working outwards. Fry the jalebi until they are beautifully golden brown and crisp on both sides, which usually takes about 2 minutes per side. As soon as your jalebi are fried to perfection, immediately transfer them into the warm sugar syrup. Ensure the syrup is warm, not boiling hot, for optimal absorption. Let them soak for about 30 to 60 seconds, allowing them to fully absorb that delicious sweetness. Then, remove them and serve warm for the best experience. And hey, while you're enjoying these sweet treats, remember to stay hydrated. Check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.